everybody, today I'm going to be playing Monkey's Place. I've never played this, but it looks really fun, so yeah, let's go. Ow! What the heck? I just hit my kick crouch. Now slide down to start playing. Ow. Yo, boom. Let's go.
A name gonna be?
Oh my gosh! Guys, look weird.
No.
All right, let's see. We got waterfall. We got monkey pee. Ice. What do they mean ice? Oh, it's like mountains, except ice. All right, climb it. I'm gonna go down this one first. Wahoo! All right, so it's just a couple of slides. All right. All right. Well, that was cool. Let's go back. Oh, there's something right here. Beach! It's Garone's at! Come on, let's go! Oh yeah. Cue the epic music. Oh! Oh, so fire! I'm so fire! Special maps. It looks so weird. Alright, let's check that out. Alright, wind push. Does this say arena? No, just area. What is this? Okay. What the heck?
Welcome. This is the tutorial for the wind push area. To fly up.
Yeah! Oh goodness! It's my childhood carpet! Oh my gosh, it's literally my childhood carpet. The club? Yo, I want to go into the club. Oh yeah. This goes crazy hard. Oh, the shop, because I want to find the shop. Monkey's Realm on app. Ooh, might have to play Monkey's Realm in another video. Oh, yo, enable. I love you, Grandma. I realized there's a horror mode. I will be doing the horror mode. Just not right now. Let's play.
I could be dreaming.
Mikey! This is cool. This is cool. Let me know if you want me to play this some other time. But I'm gonna go for now. I'll probably actually play this because I want to check out some other game modes and stuff. Alright, bye-bye!